Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to swipe typing, fix, restore auto space on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and click on More Typing Options. After click on More Typing option, you will see auto spacing is here. Click on auto spacing. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off this button and turn on this button. After turn on or turn off this button and turn on this button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can swipe typing fix restore auto spaces on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.